To my DDS friends, baka naman sabihin nyo fake news to ha. I got this from PGMN. Trillanes claims Duterte family received millions in drug lord money for a total of 181,653,487.36 So guys, why not encourage VP Sara? Nakasuhan na yan si Trillanes para naman makabawi-bawi si PRRD at kanyang mga kapatid. Remember, he was under oath. May sinumpaang salaysay noon sa impeachment hearing. So, kung napatunayan na siya ay nagsinungaling, sigurado kulong yan. Perjury. Kaya lang, ingat din ng konti. Because once the case starts, magkakaroon ng presentation of evidence, magkakaroon ng cross-examination. And kung napatunayan na nagsisinungaling si Trillanes, kulong siya. Kaya lang, pag nag-match yung kanyang 18 transactions at lumabas doon sa actual bank accounts, tapos ang boxing. Ang mahirap pa nun, pag nabuksan lahat ng accounts, pati yung iba maaaring madiskubre.